Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide Nsfw contents on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings. Here as you see you will find this. Click on it like this and this will be turned off. That's how to turn off Nsfw contents on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.